Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're checking out these AA batteries. They are for outdoor lights, or you can use them for whatever use that you have. We have a 2-pack here. We got AA's and then we have AA and AAA batteries. So let's go ahead and open this up. After 3 years, it says the batteries still work 80%. It says recommend to be fully charged before use. So of course these are rechargeable batteries, and on the listing you guys can choose your options, so you can get both. You can get 1 pack or this pack, or you get both like we did. So just check the listing. So let's go ahead and open these up here. Take a look how they are. So I like that they come in this case, so every time we recharge them we can put them back in. So they definitely, even the AAA batteries have some weight, definitely versus the other kinds. You can definitely feel the weight of them. So 1.2 volt AAA rechargeable batteries. So they're definitely going to come into use, especially for our project here. So I'm going to go ahead and recharge these because it recommends charging them fully until you use them. So see you guys in a bit. Alright my friends, we went and we recharged these. So now we're going to go ahead and put them in, put them to the test, and you just simply slide them all in. I like them. I like the yellow. It's nice to have a different color for once, instead of the same old standard batteries. Alright guys, now that we have these batteries in, you can hear it working. Overall, they're nice batteries. So for the AA batteries, they're also 1.2 volts as well. I mean, they're nice looking batteries. So if you want just the one kit, or if you want the other kit, or you want all of their kits, yeah, I'm happy with the batteries. I'll do, 6-month, 1-year update and let you guys know. But right out of the package, they charge quickly. Everything, they work good. I'm happy.